PowerPoint is giving you an error when you try to open a file, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. Whether the file is corrupted, an add-in is causing problems, or Windows permissions are blocking access, these methods can usually get your presentation opening again without a lot of stress. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we'll start with the best fix, and that is open and repair. Open Microsoft PowerPoint, then click File, then Open, and then Browse. Find the PowerPoint file that is giving you trouble and select it. Before you open it normally, look for the small arrow next to the Open button. Click that arrow and choose Open and Repair. This tells PowerPoint to try and recover the file while fixing common corruption issues in the background. In many cases, this alone is enough to open a broken or damaged presentation. If that doesn't work, the next step is to launch PowerPoint in safe mode. This is useful because it helps you figure out whether the problem is being caused by an add-in or a custom setting. To do that, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. Then type PowerPoint/safe and press Enter. PowerPoint will open in safe mode, which disables many extra features and add-ins. Once it opens, try opening your file again. If it works in safe mode, that's a strong sign that an add-in is causing the error. Now let's fix that by disabling add-ins. Open PowerPoint normally, then go to File, then Options, and click Add-ins. At the bottom of the window, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select COM add-ins and click Go. A list of installed add-ins will appear. Uncheck all of them for now, then click OK. After that, close PowerPoint completely and reopen it. This step is important because add-in conflicts can stop files from opening properly, especially if the software has recently been updated or a plugin is outdated. If you still can't open the file, the next thing to check is file permissions. Sometimes the problem is not PowerPoint itself, but Windows blocking access to the file. Right-click the file and choose Properties. Go to the Security tab and select your user account from the list. If you don't have full access, click Edit and enable full control, then click Apply and OK. This makes sure your Windows account has permission to read and open the presentation. If the file is stored in a protected folder or came from another computer, permission issues can definitely trigger opening errors. Another very important step is updating PowerPoint. Bugs and compatibility problems can cause files to fail when opening, especially if the presentation was created in a newer version or contains newer formatting features. To update it, open PowerPoint, click File, then Account, then Update Options, and choose Update Now. Let the updates install completely, then restart PowerPoint and try your file again. Keeping Office up to date is one of the simplest ways to avoid recurring errors. If your file still won't open after all of those steps, try one more thing before giving up. Test the file on another computer or move it to a different folder on your own device. Sometimes the issue is the location, the download, or even a syncing problem if the file came from cloud storage. A fresh copy in a local folder can sometimes make the difference. So to recap, the best order is use Open and Repair, try Safe Mode, disable add-ins, check permissions, and update PowerPoint. These steps solve most opening errors and they're all easy to follow even if you're not super technical. If this video helped you fix your PowerPoint issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and comment below if you want me to make a guide for a specific PowerPoint problem next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.